Bath time. Remove accessories. Protect the eyes. He's wet. Wet. I was cleaning up the mess I made, and I forgot that I still needed to empty out the second round of dirty water. I brushed him again. Drying process is doing pretty good. And I flipped him around, and now he doesn't want to stay up on his Mort's mannequin stand, but so using the tail, which I also cleaned. So yeah. You're still really wet in some spots though. The tail is dry, so now Koda gets the fans to themselves now. This is the fur that has come out of Koda. But they're done. Probably not doing another suit today. Definitely gonna do another one tomorrow, if not 2 tomorrow. But yeah, got one head clean.